Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dublin Elementary School in White Lake, Michigan, home of the Shamrocks, and I just got to visit here for a first time, and it's such an honor. I was speaking where you saw there in the bleachers by the stage area near the school entrance and lobby, and just an amazing morning and afternoon. Got to talk to all the grades, K through 5, 3 separate presentations. The main focus was on positivity, and being our best self was the sub-theme, right? So it really ties in to always keeping a positive attitude in every area of our lives, with everyone in our lives. And even when things get tough, right, we know that those opportunities can make us stronger if we let them, right? And so through a series of heartfelt stories, inspirational videos, some positive music, I was able to really relate to them at a deeper level, at a heart level. And I think with the pin drop moments that we had and some of the feedback from some of the students and staff, something really touched their hearts. And if something did touch their heart, that means they have a big heart. Now it's up to them to go and shine that light by how they choose to treat themselves and others. And a big tie into that concept, doing our best, being our best, is knowing our worth, right? Knowing how special each of us are, the power that each of us have. So I always talk about this concept in all my assemblies. We all have the letter M with the lines on our hand. I trace one of mine here. We have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, and this M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But a lot of students I speak to, sometimes they don't buy into that, they don't believe that themselves, so we really need to be the people that maybe, raise them up, that we rise by lifting others. And especially as leaders, we're better than someone at something, right? Whether it's math, science, art, gym, whatever. The sign of a true leader is now go help the other person who's not as good as you, help them get up to your level, right? If not higher. Right? And for the times that we are going through a tough situation or a difficult subject in school or a friendship or just something in our lives, we always know that we have a choice to never give up and to keep our head up. So this shirt that I wear for this assembly, the words are keep your head up, upside down on purpose. And it's a reminder that if we're feeling down, sad, or something that we're going through that's really, really tough, that we can always, choose to always think positive no matter what. It's a reminder, right, to always keep our head up. And to also never give up, knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, but quitting or giving up, right? So as long as we keep pushing, keep persevering, that's really all that matters, right? That we know that we can accomplish anything if we put our mind to it, and if we have people around us that are going to support us as well, right? There's a quote by Albert Einstein that it's not that I'm so smart, I just stay with problems longer. And so, for some of us, we're going to understand that paragraph the first time that we read it. Some of us, it's going to take 10 times. Some of us are going to get that math equation the first time we do it. Some of us, it's going to take 10 times. That's okay, as long as we just don't give up and keep pushing and give the effort, right? We have the effort, not always the outcome. But if we give it our best, right, and give a little bit more, know that we can always give a little bit more, right, extra effort, we're usually going to get the results that we want. If we plant those positive seeds, those positive thoughts that we talked about, that our brain and our heart are going to believe whatever you tell it, and us being the person that we're going to talk to the most in our lives, hopefully we're telling it something more positive, right? Because we want to get rid of that negativity, replace it with something more positive, and then go spread that kindness, that joy, that peace to all those people around us. So thank you all for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Never forget that. Hope you have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.